Hey bro, come look at this for a second. You see this man? Normal, right? Just a plain boring panel man from the outside. But wait till you see what's inside. My friend spent months turning these things into what he called his poor man alpha. Let go, see if it is actually worth it, or he just wasted his money. Okay, so from the outside nothing swim, luxury, or at all. Stock bumper, stock patch, maybe some tinted window and a slightly lower studs. Honestly, this is the genuine part. Nobody breaking it into this thing thinking there's a foam material inside. It's basically a booth in cheap clothing or a 5-star hotel room in the delivery van clothing. Okay, so from the outside nothing scream. And now the reveal. Slide that door open and wow. Captain seat, ebony lighting, strip glowing purple, wood trim on the panel. This door does not look like the same wear from the outside. My friend said that the first time his wife saw it, she asked if he stole an Alphard carrier and just glue it into here. Fair question, honestly. Okay, let's let talk pro first, because there's a lot. Captain said that should be flying flat, proper, leg room, like stretch your leg, like a nap, leg crew. Got the little fridge for drink, ambient lighting, can change color depending on your mood, romantic date night, or I just pick up. Your choice, sound system, slept you. And here the best part, nobody suspect a thing. You pull up to a fancy hotel in this Malay gal fish site. Okay sir, low expectation. Then you open the door and he's suddenly very interested, becoming your friend. Also, for the price of one Alpha, my bro basically built 2 of these. Matt doesn't lie. But okay, let's be honest. It's small, good. This is a small commercial van underneath. The suspension, the NHV, the engine, none of that changed. So it's still right and sound like a van. Not a luxury MPV, especially on the highway. Also resale value, good luck explaining it to your buyer while your high gauge costs Alpha money. A warranty on all these custom electronics pro is on its own kind of warranty, to hope for the best warranty. So naturally the question is, why not just buy an actual Alpha or a Vellfire? Because let's be real, everywhere you go, especially here, you feel like every other car is an Alpha or a Vellfire. It's basically the national car of I have made it energy at this point. So naturally the question is, and fair enough, factory built means everything engineered together, proper crash safety, proper warranty, insurer actually understand that it is at real still value is to state. This thing barely depreciate here, plus the badge alone get you to respect a golf club packing a lot. You're not explaining anything to anybody. But, and this is a big but, you're paying way more for that badge. Converted van like this can get you 80% of the comfort for maybe half the price, sometime less. Plus you can literally customize it exactly how you want. By pro fridge, liking the exact seat layout, try asking Toyota to build you that from factory. They'll stare at you. So which one you win? Honestly, depend what you value. What, one status, resale, zero-headed ownership? Go ahead. Or Vellfire, don't even think twice. What maximum comfort, bro? Dollar, don't care what people sing. And you enjoy a little bit of built, not bought, bragging right. This converted rank, honestly, not a bad move at all. Either way, bro, respect to anyone to transform delivery van into this. Whether you buy factory, or build your home. At the end of the day, you're both napping the capital C, while the rest of us are in economy sedan. See, issue in the next video.